steel gate wheels and bearings. So the easiest way to check if your gate wheel bearings are still good is to use a spade with a brick and just lift the gate into the air, which will allow you to check the gate wheels for free running and that the bearings are still good. So we're going to use the spade as leverage to lift the steel sliding gate into the air, get the wheel completely off the ground, and now we're going to check the wheel. You can see this wheel is spinning quite freely. There's not any hassles with it. There's no side to side movement, so these bearings are all good, but we're still going to replace it because the rear wheel bearings are shot. So we do it once, we do it right. So how to loosen your steel gate wheel. You can see it's got a split pins that you need to remove in order to get it out of the steel gate wheel bracket. So you need to have the right equipment to do this. Circlip has been removed. We're now going to remove the steel pin from the casing. Only way to do it is to remove it with force, unfortunately. First steel gate wheel is out. There's a bearing that's situated inside the steel gate wheel. They should be running freely. This is the front wheel that looked to be fine, and yeah, it's hardly turning at all. So we now need to remove the bearings from the steel wheel. Again, unfortunately or fortunately, it comes with force. So the bearing is removed with force by knocking it out. There you can see the other bearing is still present. We're just now going to knock that out. See if we can do it like that. There we go. Bearings are out. Time to put in new bearings. So yeah, new set of bearings. Gonna quickly just press fit them, tap them lightly into position. You see that the bearing is turning there. This one, they don't even want to turn. Time for new ones, that's clear. Just like that, two new bearings are in. We use a rubber seal bearing, which means it's a maintenance bearing where you can remove them, clean them out, put in new grease, off you go. Now it's just putting the gate wheel back into the holder and fitting the steel pin, and then back with a circlip. Wheels back into position. There you can see. That's just what you want. Alright, second steel gate wheel. Bearings replaced. See how easily they do turn. That's it. Right. Same principle applies. Came out with force, pressed in. We're now going to quickly put it back into the steel sliding gate. Done with replacing the steel gate wheels, but the gate track, steel gate rail that's on the gate motor is preventing free running of the steel sliding gate. So we're going to quickly cut that off.